What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. Generally, it's Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves another brand new opening here. We have Life TCG First Edition Birds set, and I've been asked to open this for like the last 2 months now. I opened up mammals, and it did very well. I think I was one of the very few people that actually opened up the Life TCG set here on YouTube. And when Birds came out, I've asked a couple times when I was going to be opening it, and here I am. I am starting with a little starter deck right here. I believe a little starter box. We do have 4 more first edition booster boxes that we will be opening in the upcoming weeks as well. So we have our different arts right here. I do like this set. I do like this company because part of proceeds do go to charity. And a neat thing is when you get things like the hollow rares, that they are numbered to what the population is. So we have the little penguin, blue-throated hilster. We have the full art shoebill. Here you go. One of the more terrifying birds, I believe, that are out there. But we have ourselves a full art shoebill. Let's get this bad boy sleeved up. There we go, the shoebill. I will be going over at the end a little recap of what we did pull. All right. So I believe the full arts, they are new to this set, to being in the set itself outside of just like the hollow rares. All right, so we got the Roadrunner, Bar-tailed Godwit, Rufus Sabruing, the Bee Hummingbird. We have the Resplendent Quetzal, Oriental Bay Owl. We have the Frogmouth. These ones, you see these ones on like Instagram as a hollow actually. So population 10,000. So it's going to be one of the more common hollows you get. Common Raven, the Baltimore Oriole, the Red Bill. So the Frogmouth here being one of the more common of our hollow rares that we're going to be pulling here. So I do expect to see that one again in the future. All right. The turn, we have the White-throat Dipper, the Emperor Penguin, the Greater Flamingo, the Mute Swan, the Osprey. There we go. We have another rare here. Only 6,000 for the New Zealand Kaka. So a little more rare of a hollow than the tawny Frogmouth, which had a population of about 10,000. Roughly 10,000. All right. The King Penguin. We have the Gray-eared Nightjar. The Toucan. We have the Frogmouth again, not a hollow this time. And we have a full art here of the Honduran Emerald. Second of our full arts. 15,000 on the little emerald there. Costa's Hummingbird, the White Stork, the Emu. You have the Marsh Harrier, Scarlet Macaw, the Philippine Eagle. We have the Plain-billed Mountain Toucan, Common Pheasant, Red Crossbill, and the Canada Jay. So our third full art here of the opening. Three full arts, 3 different full arts, kind of what you ask for. Hummingbird, the Bat Falcon, the Pelican, Spotted Owl, Honduran Emerald. We have the South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher. About 6,000 of those left in the wild. And each card does come with a fun fact, which helps you learn a little bit about the card you are pulling. We can get our sleeve out of our pack there. There we go. We have Ross's Goose, the Black Kite, the Albatross, Snowy Owl, Martial Eagle. We have the Toucan, the Toko Toucan. Our fourth holo rare. The Merlin. There we go. We have the Red Kite. Full art there. Good old Red Kite. So that's our fourth full art, four full arts, four holo rares. Not a bad start to this opening. We have the Honduran Emerald. So we see the Emerald here as the holo rare, not a full art. So last pack here. And we'll get a bit of a recap going on. The Seagull, oh boy. We have the White Cockatoo. To round out our opening. All right, so no packs left. Let's get started here with the full arts. All right, we have our White Cockatoo. We have Plate Build Mountain Toucan, Honduran Emerald, our Shoebill, and our Red Kite. And then getting into our holo rares, we have the Toko Toucan, population about 10,000. The South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher, population of 6,000. The Tawny Frogmouth, population about 10,000 as well. The New Zealand Kaka, population about 6,000. And our Honduran Emerald, population about 15,000 left in the wild. So, if you guys enjoyed this opening, hit that like button, comment down below, text on YouTube though. Peace out, rock on, stay super classy. And we'll catch you on the next opening here of more of our Life TCG Bird set here on the channel.